Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we will share creative and inspiring tip for crocheting. Today's video is all about modern pillow cover designs. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet pillow cover not only add a personal and cozy touch to your home decor, but they also come with various benefits. Here are some advantages of having or making crochet pillow covers. Customizable design. Crochet pillow covers can be made in variety of color, pattern and texture, allowing you to create a piece that matches your home decor perfectly. Eco-friendly. By making your own crochet pillow covers, you have reduced waste and use sustainable natural fiber like cotton, wool or linen, which are better for the environment. Durable and long lasting. Crocheting stitches tend to be strong and durable, meaning crochet pillows covers can last for years with proper care. Personal touch. Handmade crochet pillow covers add a personal and unique touch to your living space, showcasing your creativity and craftsmanship. Therapeutic craft. The process of crocheting can be calming and meditative activity, helping to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Affordable. Creating your own crochet pillow cover can be an affordable way to update your decor compared to buying designer pillows. Cozy and comfort. Crochet materials like soft yarn can make your pillow extra comfortable, adding a cozy texture to your home. Versatile. Crochet pillow covers can be used on various types of pillows, from throw pillows on couches to bed pillows, and even decorative cushions for outdoor sitting. Easy to wash and maintain. Many crochet pillow covers are easy to remove and machine washable, making them practical for everyday use. Increase home value. Handmade crochet pillow cover add a unique artistic element to your home, which can enhance its aesthetic value. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Keep in touch with our channel. Bye bye.